for the heart reaction. I recall when you say that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more, like when the time you whisper in my ears. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you say that you'll be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, it's so really won't be easy to forget. Yesterday, Lotonis prayed that you would stay, but then you're gone and on so far away. I was afraid nang nalaman ko na kayo na pala ng babae mo, nasasaktan ako. Sinabi mo pang wala na tayo, minsan lang akong umibig tanga, pinagpalit mo pa sa puki ng inang bingot, mamatay ka na. Niloko niyo kong harapan ko pa. Then you left without even saying